Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the light bulb in the trunk of a 4th generation Toyota Camry. So this model ran from 1997 to 2001. First, of course, you want to pop open the trunk. So this is the light bulb I'm talking about. So the hinge is on the left side or the driver's side, so you want to pry it open from the right hand side or the passenger side, like that. So just pull it out. So this is the LED that I use. It's a T10 or 194 type LED, and this is the wedge base. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it's useful.